Today, I'll be showing you how to make authentic Italian basil pesto. This traditional homemade Italian pesto recipe has been in my family for generations. It is incredibly delicious and packed full of flavor. You will need 1½ cups of fresh basil, 1 cup shredded parmesan, 1/4 cup pine nuts, 3 halved garlic cloves, and 5 tablespoons of olive oil. To start, we are going to wash the basil. This step is incredibly important. Thoroughly rinse the basil in fresh, clean running water. The best way to do this is using a strainer and your kitchen sink. Using your clean hands, carefully rotate the basil, ensuring that all leaves are thoroughly cleaned and rinsed. This will remove any dirt, bacteria, and other harmful contaminants from the basil. Thoroughly rinse for a minimum of 2 minutes. Remember, the cleaner the better. Next, we're going to toast the pine nuts. Continuously stir until they are golden brown and fragrant. In a blender, add the washed fresh basil, shredded parmesan, garlic, olive oil, toasted pine nuts. Blend until thoroughly combined. Pour into a mixing bowl. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. Mix. Taste it. Yummy. Add more. 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 Mix together. Add salt, pepper. Taste it. Needs more egg. Taste it. Needs more egg. That's too much egg. Remove some egg. Taste it. Perfect. Serve with pasta of your choice. Delicious, fresh, homemade basil pesto made in a matter of minutes. Buon appetito!